you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
Everyone. How you guys doing? Let's see what we got here. Just give me a second here, guys. All right. Let me start my Zoom here.
Recording in progress.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right.
Good morning.
Good morning, Red Lady.
How are you this morning?
I'm good, and you?
Great. I've got to set my alarm back. Why are we up? Why are you up? You can't change your sleep pattern.
Me?
Uh-huh. Or you sleep all afternoon?
Like, today, honestly, I woke up like at 12. I didn't go to sleep until 6 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and I woke up at 12.
Okay. I woke up, I didn't realize the alarm had went off 3 times already. I was out.
Oh, really?
Not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. To the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with, the plug the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed. I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it. I was scraping by on crumbs, but I love the feeling the odds against me. Didn't tell me that I wouldn't get it.
The hell? Why is gold stuck?
Feeling surrounded by angels, demons.
Gold ain't moving.
Trying to shake the momentum. Soon as I find a cadence, leave it all on the record. If it's my only reference, shocked how the bar's been electric.
She gave enough. She's waiting for the news now. What isn't today NSP or is it tomorrow?
It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay.
I mean, no. Friday.
On Friday. Yes, NXP Friday. Well, she did enough yesterday.
Did I see your chat? Where did you send it to? SFXN?
Back with impeccable time and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the rail. My word been a bind, yours artificial. You frequent with the slipper. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world and mix the pleasure.
That GJSL yesterday morning during New York, man, should have taken it instead of freaking gold. Man, gold smacked our ass twice yesterday morning. For the ones that told them pay me no mind, those were the words that shaped me. Well, rounded it with a pin that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Let go and wait and put faith in the process. Make the most of it. What do you guys think of this overlay that I'm using on stream? You guys messing with it? Take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be your everything. That's who you are to me. Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Yeah, we got FOMC later today. If I'm up, I might go live for FOMC. After I trade New York session with my VIP, if I'm still up, I might go live for FOMC. A news thing in London.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in
Good morning, good morning.
I got racks in my sack or in my bag.
The ideal layout is the one that we can clearly see more of the chat website. I mean, you can see the chat clearly with this one. You guys can see the chat. What site is best to check for daily news? I mean, I like investing.com, but
Obviously, you can use Forex Factory as well.
And Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the cheese. Put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch.
You like the layout? It looks modernized.
Don't believe this.
Yeah.
Y'all need cheese. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Anyway, so looking at GJ right now, if we can break above this supply here, then I'll be waiting for break, retest, demand entry. If we break above this supply, but if we reject it, then I'll be looking for selling opportunities. When London opens, gold right now is either we break above this 2019 when London opens, or if we get back to 2019 and reject, there could be selling opportunities there as well to catch a sell from the top. Or if we come down to this next demand over here at between 2012 and 2011, there could be buying opportunities there as well. And if we break below 2011, we need a break and retest and maybe get a break and retest entry or a supply entry. So we'll see what happens when London opens. I need that London volume. Yeah, Ninja Crypto, that happens a lot. Like, I think on Tuesday, there was in the USD news, I believe it was PMI. So investing.com said it was high impact. Forex Factory said it wasn't. So sometimes it be like that. It's very weird. I don't know why, but hey, that's how it is. So I just go with investing.com. I still check Forex Factory as well, but I prefer investing.com. Yeah, Asian session, when I looked at the chart, she actually did give a nice setup. Well, for example, here, could have taken a buy here on gold Asian session. I mean, if you were a supply and demand trader, then Asian session could have caught this move on gold. And GJ, let's see, did GJ give any setup during the Asian session? Yeah, you could have caught this sell too, Asian session on GJ, if you trade supply and demand. Could have caught this sell, because we got previously supply was sitting right here. Or you can use this old zone right here. And you could have caught this sell Asian session. it's easier for me to look at it now and be like, oh, look at this setup. Because it already happened. It will be different when you're trading live. Let's have a good session today. I need my 2 trades, 2 wins today. Any opinion on market reaction and FOMC? Man, if you ask me, I'll say just wait until all that stuff, all that BS is all over, and then you take your setup after that. If you look at it, we got the statement 1 p.m. You got the press conference at 1:30 p.m. So, in my own opinion, wait 30 minutes before you take any trades. That's how I would trade FOMC. FOMC is crazy. You could get lucky and freaking double your account, and you could get unlucky and you could get unlucky and double your account or even triple your account, and you could get unlucky and blow your account. Talking from experience, so when I was coming up, I've traded FOMC before, and there have been times that I like doubled my account, and there are times that I freaking blew my account. Shit. That whole day I didn't talk to no one, just freaking leave me the hell alone. I was depressed. I'm good, Solomon. Thanks for asking. You feel like killing someone, 100K, I can only feel that you would have maybe passed today because you up 90%, left for work and came back. Your kid brother was crying and telling me sorry. What happened to the 100K account? You failed it? I mean, don't worry, Akine. Don't stress yourself about it. If you stress yourself about it, you're just gonna find yourself getting depressed and stuff like that. You don't want to do that. I know it hurts, but like the saying goes, when you fall, you just gotta get back up. Like when I'm losing a lot, meaning losing streaks, I feel bad, I don't like it, but I'm not going to get depressed about it because I understand that this is part of what I signed up for. It's part of the game. So when you try to get funded, you fail it, get back up, do it all over again. Eventually you will pass it. And while you're trying all those challenges and you're failing, guess what you're learning? You're gaining more experience. You will be learning from your mistakes. So the stuff that you were doing wrong, you know, you're not gonna keep doing the same thing again over and over again, because obviously it's not working. And in my own opinion, if you can be, when you're starting out in this industry and you trade for 1 month and you look at your trading account and you were actually profitable for 1 month, then keep doing what you're doing. Don't switch. Even if the next month was a rough month, or you didn't, make money the following month, or you had a break-even month, don't switch because you made money the previous month. It just means that that month was just rough. If you're using the same strategy, taking the same setups, then it just means the month is just different, because every month is not going to be the same. Like in this industry, like Q1 is always going to be rough. Q2 is better, right? Q3, in my own opinion, the third quarter is amazing. Third quarter is very amazing. Then the fourth quarter, part of the fourth quarter is amazing until we get to like the ending of November. Like the ending of November to the 2-3 weeks of December is gonna be a little bit rocky. So we're in the second quarter now. The second quarter is better. Third quarter, amazing.
Now I got $1 for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if you won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight.
Man, look at US30. This thing has just been freaking going. And she still has more room to go. Money just brought my attention to US30, even though I won't be taking any trades on it now. US30 still has more room to go up. And this thing can actually ignore this supply on the 5-minute and head on to 341, 340.10, 34.10. Got a 1 hour supply right here. So if you ask me, hey, what should I be looking for in US30? I'll tell you, look for buys. She still has room, but obviously you gotta wait and see, okay, are we gonna get a pullback? You need a pullback. Let's go in there. Trading views, stock. So first demand here. We check that one, probably this. Maybe this one.
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me.
Yes, top. Yeah, 2 trades London, 2 trades New York.
More than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No.
Oh, your brother traded on it. Oh, damn.
No, you just can't hurt me. No.
Yeah, my brother was doing the same thing too when he was with me. I had to get on him to stop. Just tell him not to do that again.
I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say, sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me.
You're welcome, top.
No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No. See, it's hard to be polite. It's easy being petty. Mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you're ready. Cause I ain't working on my own timing. Ain't got no diamonds on me, but I stay shining. Yeah. They say the world would be a better place if we still got the hate. Stop all the hate right now. Yeah. Let's keep it real. It'd be better if we just subtract the fake. Yeah, so be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say, sticks and stones.
Oh, gold. Do we have a possible buy setup? Yes.
No, you just can't hurt me. No.
Yes, I agree.
More than I've been wrong, it still can't hurt me.
Possible buy setup? Yes, I agree. But I'm not taking nothing until London Open.
Just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No.
If you want to take it, right? If you want to take gold buys, wait for this candle to close, or see if it's gonna, okay, now it flipped bearish, now see if it's gonna flip bullish again, and you can take it if you have at least 1-to-1, because the first TP has to be back up there at this resistance right here at 2019. So many. About 20 to 25 pips. Not bad. You get at least a 1-to-1. But you can clearly see there's no volume right now. And we might not get any volume with gold today because of FOMC. So my main focus today is actually going to be GJ on either NAS or US30. But if we get volume when London opens on gold, then probably take maybe GJ and gold. We'll see. It depends. Oh, it says April. Thank you. Yeah, that's a mistake. It should say, it should be May.
It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song. You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted. But you could not be more wrong. I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice. Just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
Knowing that you're not my baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla, and you aim for the heart when you walked on the floor, you a rude gal, Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands in the box like Dilla. Love it when you hill up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Try to have your ex-man back on your line, but I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine, and I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bet I could still leave here as the best man, yes ma'am.
Yeah, you can talk.
Oh, okay. I don't know. I really don't know nothing about my Forex funds. Did you try sending them an email or chatting with their customer service? I don't know if they're gonna reactivate it though. Once they terminate it, I don't think they're gonna reactivate it. The next prop firm I'm probably gonna try out, it's probably gonna be my funded nest. Hold on, is that what it's called? I think. Funded. I think that's what it's called, funded nest. If this thing can load. Yeah. The next prop firm I'm gonna try out is probably gonna be this company. They give if you pass phase 1 and phase 2, they'll give you 15% profit share. And I heard they're gonna be coming out with their own server. If they have their own server, that means you're gonna have a better spread, better execution. So gold is pushing up though. You have funded NAS100K real account, nice, Kenan. Yeah, I'm gonna try them out next. Like when you get funded, that's when the real job really begins. Because now you gotta make sure you don't mess it up. Yes, stop. I do. I've been thinking about this and I've made a decision. Like, I want to have like 5 funded accounts with different companies. And I already know the ones I'm going to go with. I have the 5%ers now. NAS is going to be funded NAS. Once I'm done with that, probably go with funded trader or funded trading plus. The perfume industry is so freaking big now that everyone just wants to have a perfume company. I must check my funded FX. Never heard of that before. They are top now. My funded FX. See what I'm saying? Two, 3 years ago, didn't even know who all these companies are. The website looks cool. Oh, what? No maximum trading days? What just happened? Hey, what? I'm still reading that. Why did it change? Oh, it's still loading? Up to 600K, that's cool. A lot of companies only do 400, 500 million. Oh, they have a one-step challenge. I like that. Man, only one minimum trading days. Max trading loss 6%, maximum daily loss 4%. Once you get funded, minimum calendar days 14, trailing loss 6, daily loss 4%. Leverage is 1 to 100. That's not bad. Where's the 200K? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not bad. 200k is 950, 100k 500. Oh, that stuff is cheaper too. The prices is, oh snap, they work with 8 cap. I hate 8 cap. The spread is too big. But 8 cap is the book, as all these people go with. Oh, not bad. MFF 600k, FTMO 400k. Yeah, secure the bad. Yeah, I know. That's Xauusd's company. Are you talking about my funded FX, Bruce? Learn to Earn, who are you talking about? They have also another book I called Think Markets. Yeah, if the funded trader if they have IC market, I don't think everyone will be able to select that book, especially if you live here in the United States. Yeah, I don't like 8 cap. Their spread is too big. That would be a no for me if I'm gonna sign up with any prop firm. Think Markets. If GJ doesn't reject this supply, hey, that's cool. Then we might reject this one up here. I feel like we will. Oh, the funded trader does that too? Come on guys, let's get 100 likes. Can we get 100 likes? We only got 38. Let's get 100 likes.
on deck, so my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clacking on.
Even if London opens and we're still rejecting this supply, I won't be taking sell here because I'm only gonna get like 13 pips. I need more room to take sales. It's gonna come to that low right there. Your NAS is not moving at all. Okay, so very quick. So what I'm doing here, because you're just watching how I'm marking up these zones on NAS. So if you take a look at NAS right now, currently, this is our swing low because this move to the upside started from right here. Right now, when we pushed up, we came down, we found support here. So we got a support right here, and we got a lower high right here. This is not the swing high, right? The swing high of this sell is right up here.
All of it. I need it all. Do you want it
So the move down, looking at this on the 1 hour, started from up here. So as you can see, now if NAS can break above 131.52, get a break and retest, or a demand entry back to the swing high, possibly, right? That's what we're looking at, and right now we got a resistance right here. So this is what we're looking at here on NAS on the 1 hour time frame. I'll go back to the 5 minute, and there you have your zones. Now if NAS breaks above here, obviously next zone is going to be back up to this double top we have up here, but it's not enough. Not bad. Depending on the entry, you can get at least 150 to 200 points. So we'll see. And looking at this right now, now we got a demand over here. Boom.
$1 bet I get it back like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on a ring. I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same. But they got morals, I'll be damned if they sell it for change. They won't sell out a thing. I lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means.
See what NAS does.
Make me change. I got that power, I could get anything. I got that power, I could get anything. Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard these scammer had to.
We got 12 more minutes for London Open, so we'll see what happens.
It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought.
Red Lady, are you still here? Yes, okay, we're sleeping. Oh man, I gotta turn this AC off. It's way too cold in here. I'll be right back, guys. We're waiting for that London Open volume. Come on guys, you only got 64 likes. Let's get the likes up. What perfume do I have? The 5%ers. My younger brother wants to trade on it. I haven't made a decision if I should give it to him or not. Why do I trade GJ? I just prefer GJ. He has more volume, it's volatile, more volatile compared to USDJPY. I used to trade it in the past. That was when I was all over the place. 120 points on gold buy, you mean 12 pips? Yeah, she's pushing up. Top. Did you check the buy after the analysis I gave? Mo wà pa jẹ́ ìwọ́n kọ́ ṣe wà pa.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar.
DJ should fall. If you took a sell because of this supply right here, I'm gonna congratulate you in advance. But for me, I'm waiting for London Open.
Solo yo sé de ese lunar, solo tú comes el pastel. Con estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada, pero quieres toda mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar, algo más rico que la miel, mi droga que te legalice. No tocamos el pecado que
Oh, she wants to play games.
la piel tú y yo jugando, baby, para que te dices. Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos.
Oh, Go doesn't want to give you guys money. I mean, GJ, I mean.
Aquí viviendo roce, estamos solitos y eso más de las 12. Pegándote bien lento, baby, para que tú goces. No somos algo serio, pero bien si me conoces. Ya, tú eres el todo de mi vida. Si tanto que te pienso ya no encuentro la salida.
Now, the only reason why I'm saying we might see a deep pullback today with GJ, she might not fall, but right now everything is saying she should fall, but she might not fall because she's fell just so much. Like, look, like she's been falling since yesterday. London session. So we might see some bullish momentum, but we'll see. So those of you that took sales, hopefully she falls. We'll wait and see. Nothing is 100% in this industry, man. Like sometimes you can follow market structure, follow the trend, and you still lose. And that losing trade you took eventually could be a winning trade, meaning in a minute after you got stopped out, then price just started going in your direction. Now that could mean a few things. It could be, the entry was you entered too early, or it could mean maybe you took an impulse entry. That's still part of you entering too early. Or maybe your stop loss, it was too tight. Well, a few things. Or the back end just wanted to do whatever before she started moving in your direction. So big money in this industry, you need volume. In any pair you're trying to trade, you need volume. Alright, London is open. Let's see. See what GG is gonna do. And we'll see what gold is gonna do.
I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, bet it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall. Polo socks, polo jaws, keep it 10. Beat the odds, hit my line. What you want? I pick up, yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flow, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep. Shorts had chain when the money came. Money been here, I'm getting money back. Need a money counter for the money, ayy. No, I need you here, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I'll be counting 30 by the third. Drop top doors go vert. SRT go skirt. Lately like a bub and sin. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. Do roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a parrot now. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek, huh? Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep. Love when the celly go ring. 2 iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. I don't do skins on skis. Next year, chain for my team. Keep a couple blues in my jeans. Keep a couple cars, no leans. Had to kick the cup, no fee. I could never take a hand out. I could never leave my man down. Yeah, 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 stand out. Plan A, this is planned out.
We don't have a complete head and shoulder here on GJ. So no.
Never lie through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah. For the green like a leaf. For the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep.
broke above 2015, so this thing is bullish. Nas, I need a retest entry.
You can assume with your chains on. I can see none with the lights off. Cap, you been the main one. Cooling when I got my mains on.
Oh, you sent you sent an analysis to Discord. Let me see. Come on, guys, let's get 19 more likes to 100 likes before we take a trade here. This thing is not loading. Just check it on my phone. Yes, money, I'm very clean. I like it. I like the analysis on NAS. We're looking for the same thing. We are looking for the same thing.
Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee is for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I begin to assist a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire square.
I won't be taking buys in here. This range over here. Except if we come down back to this demand and reject this demand, then I'll take an earlier entry for buys.
like a bad when she walk, girl. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Go 6 pips on GG. Nice. This candle might break this low. See how this candle is moving? It has no freaking top wick. That's one of the ways you can identify the value. I'm anticipating buys on GJ. Except if we break these lows here, except if we break 2011, then look for sells. You identify yourself as trans trader. I don't know what that means. Every loss is a win for you. Every loss, For me, Monday, so far this week, Monday was good. Nothing but wins, New York and London. Yesterday, London, one win, one loss. And then New York was 2 losses. So yesterday was a bad day for me. In regards to trading. We'll see what today will look like. Yeah, 2 more likes to 100. Is that the end of the song? Close.
I wore a crown, had the world in my hand.
Add more songs to this playlist.
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining all my dreams, holding tightly to the past. The move was waist deep in the sand. Keep starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost ditched the plan. The ship the work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, of my word, though I follow through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with, to plug the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping down crumbs, but I left the feeling the odds against me. Couldn't tell me that I wouldn't get it, I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me, feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum, soon as I find the cadence. Leave it all on the record, if it's my only reference. Shocked how the bars been electric, you could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day, spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We gone separate ways. See, my biggest fear is the change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time, and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the real. My word been a bind, yours artificial. You frequent with the slipper. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world and mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't lend my hand much too often. I set the expectation, now I navigated dolo. Unclear on praises you gave when there's the finest line between jealousy signs and your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy, more for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. What rounded it would appear that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100, make do what life has got us.
So if we can break above here,
Most of it, I'll be God as the time we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide our witness statement. The way things been gone, I'm all in on the table.
is also a supply.
I made a long-term arrangement to take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of.
Then we look for bias.
Be your everything, 'cause that's who you are to me.
This is the TP1.
that you'll be there for me.
And where entry will be.
Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. Lonely, lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely. No, no.
What the hell? Let me take this. Certified producer, you need a broker and you need an MT4 or MT5. The broker that I use, the link is in the description. MT5. No, it's letter M. MT5. It's not MT.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Yes.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Sophie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
DJ gives us an entry here.
They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen.
If you trade stocks, then you should be able to trade you should be able to trade Forex. What the hell?
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Move 300 points. Damn, GG is just pushing. Yeah, she found supply right here. That was the supply. Man, gotta keep with it now. Damn, she's heading for that supply. Damn, I would have loved to catch it buy and then catch the sell coming down. Even if gold rejects here, I won't be taking the buys right now until we break above 2019. But if we keep coming down and reject between 2012 and 2011, I will be taking buys. Man, if we didn't have this supply here, I would have taken the buys. But rather be safe than sorry. So we'll see if we are gonna continue the downtrend here. not there. Maybe it will come all the way here. Let me do this.
Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery and proud of me. Yeah. No babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wife you want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Popping in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Gone bro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Speak for well, 25 the other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Maybe you far from home, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get that bag like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush that re-up cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride.
I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021. Yeah, show him I can still rap though.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on?
What do I think about NAS? My buys will be above 131.52. 131.52.
I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon.
A short drive from Houston. Texas coast, best kept secret.
I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got $1 for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper street. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just you just can't hurt me, no, no, no. I know it's hard to be polite, and it's easy being petty. My mama used to tell me, gotta use you when he ready. Man, it's crazy how my brother said it could've been my cell. It's either prison or a grave, that's what everybody tell me. Man, life ain't a beach, it's a...
I'm gonna wait for this bearish candle to close.
Oh yeah, now I done came through, knocking pictures off you all. Cause loving people who persecute you, it's still a tough be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh be kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say, sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No,
this is not this Disney. I'm using Epidemic Sounds. Epidemic Sounds. That's where I'm playing the music from.
no, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you
We didn't really tap into this supply here. So we'll see. We didn't really tap into this supply. No.
Let's keep it real, it'd be better if we just subtract the fake. Yeah, so be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh
I guess GJ wants to give aggressive entries today.
help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me.
Yeah.
No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no.
Why no sales on gold? I mean, hey, you can take sales on gold if you want. There's no entry from me yet. Just like me waiting on GJ, but this candle freaking is spiking down, so I already missed the move here, so just gotta keep waiting. Plus, she didn't really tap into the supply. I mean, if she breaks 2011, then I'll look into sales. Or if she pushes back up and tap into this supply right here, then I'll take sales. Yeah, GJ gave no entry here.
baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla. And you ain't for the heart when you walked on the floor, you a rude gal, Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands and the bops like Dilla. Love it when you hill up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Try to have your ex-man back on your line. But I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bet I can still leave here as the best man, yes ma'am.
Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no, you're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
I don't see any entries.
I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad. Ladder ties in the hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, do that I survive, doing 80 to the house. Then I hit him to the sky, change haters on a tirade. Talking to the grip in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel bent from the bip. Take a sip till I pass out. I'm trying to get grit, but it don't make sense. Cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's capped. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
From the glass in the mirror.
Yeah.
Do it at me, old man, trying to pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last.
Oh man, DJ does think give a freaking entry.
Feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard it all. Heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad bitches here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young niggas in the reckless, gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick and I'll be right back. We don't have an entry yet. It didn't come back down to this demand either. Even broke this resistance here. How can you watch my New York session? You just have to be part of the VIP or the private mentorship. Gold didn't tap 2012 or 2011 either. So far right now, I'm not liking these setups. Now the sell was nice. I just happened to miss it. I think someone in the chat brought my attention to it. By that time, it was already too late. I don't know. US30 and NAS, they're not doing nothing. Let me check GU. Right now, I'm anticipating a sell continuation, but if we reject this demand here, then I'm gonna take buys. Except if we break below. Because since London opened bullish, we could continue bullish. So if there is a buy set up on GJ, I will take it.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merge. 6 figures was a gold, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt. That's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, out of nosebleeds. I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, same circles to the same gang. We just get to it, we don't gangbang. Lost some friends to the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in a loss somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type it Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter rant. I lose $1, bet I get it back. Like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on a ring. I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same. But they got more, I'll be damned if they sell it for change. They won't sell out a thing. I lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means. I trust in God, won't be $1 that can make me change. I got that power, I could get anything. I got that power, I could get anything. Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best.
This is 15 minutes of right here.
I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit on a cake. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me.
Alright.
That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. All these big
certified producer well spread. I use well spreads.
That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend.
You're welcome. Those of you in Zoom, you guys are very quiet today. Did any of you take any trades on your own today? Or during Asian session yesterday? If you did, that was it.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que
I mean, that's alright. Wow, at least you made some money. Good morning, Pamela. Go and tap into this freaking demand. Even the one we had here. Yeah, they're like, maybe she whipped. Yeah, well, I know, right? The buy that we took yesterday. So forget about those possible sales. Yeah, she did reject that one. You jumped on the train yesterday and go buys. She made money. She made money. Yep, new layout. I'm on it right now, yes. Live chat, everything is on the right. I'm good, shipless echo.
We go forever now. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm at your center. You would say you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You would say
Man, this is boring.
I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the chatter. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned up to a boss.
Today is boring. But hey, I'd rather not take a trade than have a losing trade.
Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm at your center. You would say you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever.
Ah, you didn't realize I was on the right?
You would say you can do better. We go forever and ever. Yeah. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps all week. On a mission for the green. I've been at it since a teen. No pillow talk, no tea. Out the way, keep it cheap. Shawty told me she a freak. Whap, whap, straight E. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm at your center.
I've done a minute here now.
We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm at your center. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever.
This candle has 3 minutes to close. This candle has no bottom wick. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. And if she passes my entry, then I'm not gonna take it. So let's see. You said it feels like last month's London session mellowed me out.
I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, bet it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall. Polo socks, polo drawers, keep it tight, beat the eyes.
So since this candle has no bottom wick, even if she crosses my entry, I'm not gonna take this trade. I'm gonna wait for it to close.
Lately like above and seeing, I handle the business then I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. Do roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a paradigm. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek, huh? Love when the silly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come on, no sing. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat. Love when the silly go ring. 2 iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. I don't do skins on skins. Next year, change my jeans. Keep a couple losing my jeans. Keep a couple cars, no leans. Had to kick the cup, no fiend. I could never take a hand out. I could never leave my man down. Yeah, 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 stand out. Plan A, this is planned out. Been smooth like grease. Been smooth John T. Neighborhood, that's who. Nicholas, that's me. Been real to the T. I never lied through my teeth. Why?
See if GJ is gonna break this lows. Then we look for sales from there.
Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the silly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat.
Not in yet, guys. In the buys, I'm in gold buys. The twice. This is TP1.
You can assume with your chains on. I can see none with the lights off. Cap, you been the main one. Coolin' when I got my mains on. Show money, but those aren't the same ones. I been told you that I was the main one. Been winning since I was on game one. Telling me how to live like you made me. Go a dog, man, I blame you made me. Money longer than a grown-up baby. Got crazy in new Mercedes. Thinking that's 550. 5 seats, 50 kids in there. Prime steak on my dinner plate. Mikey tag for the dinner wear. Flex up, never playing dress up. Never
what's the name of this song? Real Spill. I actually like this song. I'm gonna repeat it. No, not yet.
On my own, no fixer. I'm gon' ball, no picker. I ate those, they live for. Talking on my back, go figure. Whole team eats fun splitter. Never was the one to go flicker. No face, no case, no picture. Full place, big stakes, my dinner. Flip that. Canal Street. Flip back. Last week. Old money. This week. New racks. Never buy 9 more. If I can't afford to gift wrap. Stunning in your foreign car. You keep riding rental tags. Heard you rolling as a lean, we are not the same. Couple thousand in my pocket, this pocket chick. Rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib while you cop a chain. I know they hated or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some angels with me. Made it through some evil times. Late night on some demon time.
Just a second.
Brainstorm. You can assume with your chains on. I can see none with the lights on. Cap, you been the main one. Coolin' when I got my mains on. Show money, but those aren't the same ones. I been told you that it was game on. Been winning since I was on game 1. Telling me how to live like you made me. Going dumb and I blame you made me. Money longer than a grown-up baby. Got crazy in a new Mercedes. Thinking that's 550. 5 seats, 50 kids in there. Prime steak on my dinner plate. Nike tag for the dinner wear. Flex up, never play it, dress up. Never gonna let up. Never, ever, ever, ever. Set up, play on my fam, get wet up. Go, won't let up. Never, ever, ever, ever. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some angels with me. Made it through some evil time. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need a line. I can't lie, can't see the line. Free time.
Damn, I was just about to secure. I was just about to secure my freaking tips. I'm gonna move stops to entry here, guys. Gonna move stops to entry here. It should just be continuing bullish. Yeah, my stops is at BE, guys. Yup. Look at that. I almost got stopped out. Stops is at BE right now. So we'll see. Yep, I'm stopped out.
Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
I just didn't like how that candy was doing. I anticipated the bearish flip. Yeah, we get stopped out at BE. We moved stop to break even and we've been stopped out. She should have cut to the bullish. I mean, she can still continue bullish, but you know, I'd rather move my stops to break even. Yeah, I almost got 10 pips too. So close. Nothing is really happening right now. Like, this London session sucks. Like, there's really no volume. Good really should be pushing up easily here. So look at her now. Now she's pushing. definitely would have secured my 10 now. Let's see what GJ wants to do here. See if we're gonna break this. So machine's waiting for FOMC to make the next macro trend. I don't think there's ever been a time or day that I didn't take any trades during London. Since I started trading London session. Except for the day that I'm like, you know what, I'm just not gonna trade today. But today's setups, man, is just not giving it. Gold gave a quick buy. When I was gonna take the buy, I looked at it and I'm like, okay, I can potentially get 10 to 20 pips here. So let me catch it real quick. But unfortunately, I didn't like that previous bullish candle. That's why most stops to be. But gold is bullish, so we might actually continue bullish. So if we fail to break these lows right here, we can take buys above these highs. We should continue and just ignore this supply. The volume is not there right now. Looks like a lot of you here trade US oil. How many of you trade US oil? Those of you in Zoom, do any of you trade US oil? Not anymore. Oh, why did you stop, Nee? That's a favorite pair. Oh, you didn't like it? Let me even see. Because a lot of you be talking about USL. I never traded it. Like, I never tried it out. Like, I don't even know which broker to choose right now on TradingView. I'll go with the first one. Let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, she eased up there. Let's see if I... Would have had an entry. Sheesh. For London. Yeah, this support. Move already happened. Actually, it was like this. Before London opened. I heard from someone that the best time to trade USR is London and New York. And it looks like they were right. See. I might have taken the supply setup here. Because she's bearish. Let's see. Yeah. And I've taken a supply setup on it. Okay. Not bad. When she rejected the supply, she just didn't give no entries, except if you're a breakout trader. And of course you had an entry. But for me, if I was looking to take sales below this low, I still won't be in. Wow. This thing's been falling like crazy. Sheesh. Let's see how volatile this thing is. I don't know. Is she volatile? Is USR volatile? I mean, I would think it is because it has to do with gas. I don't know if USL is volatile or not. I've never traded it before. Oh, it's volatile. I have to see what the contract size is with my broker. So I will know what lot size to use. Damn, she's still dropping. Like, no entries. She's still dropping. Oh, I know, man.
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining on my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We were starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost ditched the plan. The ship to work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, on my word, though, I follow through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with, the plug the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it. I was scraping by on crumbs, but I love the feeling.
We're
The
going to one here.
didn't tell me that I wouldn't get it. I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum. Soon as I find a cadence, leave it all on the record. If it's my only reference, shocked how the bars.
This is what my buy would look like if we stay rejecting this new demand.
Kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We gone separate ways. See, my biggest fear is the change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me.
Oh.
Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely.
Oil is the same size as gold.
2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time, and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the rim. Yours on a mission, you frequent with the slipper. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world and mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't lend my hand much too often. I set the expectation, now I navigated dolo. Unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy signs and your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy. More for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. What rounded it would appear that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Go away, then
My book has spread on US oil is between 2 pips to 2.5. Those of you that trade US oil, what's your spread? Sheesh, my contract size is 1,000. If this candle can flip bearish and give me a bottom wick to start pushing up, I'll take buys again. If it doesn't give me that, I'm not getting in. If it doesn't give me that, I'm not taking the buys. If she pushes up, she pushes up. It is what it is. But I'm gonna put it right here. And if any of you want to get in, just know I'm not taking it. Let's do this up like this. If it doesn't give me what I'm looking for, I won't be taking it. Your spread is 1.6 to 2.6. That's not bad. See, yours is better than mine. Listen, USL. Mine is exactly 2 pips to 2.5. That's good, actually. Your spread is 0.4. Oh wow. On USL. I'm gonna look into that USL today on my own. Probably New York session. I just tell my VIPs not to take it. I'm gonna trade it on my live account. If I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. I like testing out a pair with a live account, not demo. I want to trade it the same way I would trade if I'm trading live. I don't believe in testing out the strategy with demo. No. I don't even believe in learning how to trade with a demo account. I mean, that's what I did. Majority of us, that's what we did. But based on my experience, I don't think anyone should start with a demo account. Start with a live account. Put the minimum that you can actually afford, or even the least amount that you can afford to that trading account. I would say at least $100. I mean, excuse me, it's just $100, or maybe 50. But for me, I'll do $100 and practice what I learned, what I've learned on my life on that account. If I can't grow the 100 to 200, then I know I still got job to do. If you can't double it, then you know you got a job to do. But if you double it, man, you did very good. So then keep going. You trade all NAS, S&P 500, and UK 100 mostly. Another candle, no top, no bottom wick. I'm not interested. Give me what I'm looking for. If I don't get a bottom wick, I'm not taking this trade, because look at this. First bullish candle, no bottom wick. Second bullish candle, no bottom wick. I need a bottom wick. Hmm. 20 pips already. Man, like, you can't even take a counter trend trade on this USL. The way she's dropping. You're in for another shot. Hey, say I ain't mad at you. Make your bed. If we come down and break this support, that means we're gonna fall. But if we should start breaking these highs, then we're gonna push up some more. At least we should. Plus, gold is still bullish. It's just in a range. That's went up. What can happen to US30 during FOMC? I have no idea. Where will I take the buys? I need a bottom wick and I need us to start crossing this resistance.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's attending. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me.
I'm gonna start cutting my losses very, very short too. Very, very short. For example, if I take these buys, right, and this bullish candle close, and the bullish candle closes bullish, now that means we'll have a support formed somewhere here. Now, if we're gonna continue bullish, it should not break this support that she formed right here. If that happens, I'm out. I'm out. As soon as she breaks and closes below the first support, I'm out. Because after you break and close above resistance and the support is formed below, price shouldn't come back down and break and close below that support. Especially with a setup like this, it's also gonna depend on the setup as well. Yeah, you can't go lower than the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, that used to be my time frame too. It was easier for me to trade the 1 hour time frame then because I was trading every freaking thing. Like, I'll be looking at this pair, that pair, this pair, that pair, like bunch of freaking tabs on my computer. until I see a setup. I'll look at GJ, AJ, NJ, GU. I wasn't trading gold then. GA, GBP, NZD, GBP CAD, like just all over the place. Until I see a setup that I like and the boom, I'll take it.
Talking so much money, I could mess around and buy Amazon. I've been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days.
If we don't start breaking, because we do have a supply right here. Right, that's where we're rejecting. But if we should start breaking above this resistance right here, gold is gonna continue pushing up. So both trades are risky. That's why for me, if I'm gonna take a sell, it's gonna be below this low. Or I'll just stay out of it until we break below 2011. And all this is because gold really doesn't have a volume. Like, the volume is not really there, so we just all over the place. Just all over the place. Even GJ is all over the place. I don't know. So sell the J's. I mean, I don't have an entry to sell the J's right now. I don't have the entries to sell the J's. And I've seen days that down in London, like the pairs that you trade, they just won't give you a setup until like freaking later.
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me.
Oh, we got news era and employment in 3 minutes. Is it high impact? I don't think so. It's low impact and Forex factory. This one is still loading. Medium impact on investing.com.
Just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No. See, it's hard to be polite. It's easy being petty. Mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you're ready. Cause I ain't working on my own timing. Ain't got no diamonds on me, but I stay shining. Yeah, yeah. They say the world would be a better place if we take out the hate. Stop all the hate right now. Yeah. Let's keep it real, it'd be better if we just subtract the fake. Yeah, so be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel like disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me.
We're just not tapping into all this demand or the supply before we freaking reject. I don't know. So the air time frame less stress you would have. Yeah, if you trade in 1 hour right now, like you already know, okay, I'm either going to take buys above 2019 or 2020 or take sales below 2012 because you have the 1 hour range here. Even on the 1 hour, it would be better to wait for break and retest. Or if you trade breakout on it, wait for that flip. If you're waiting for break and retest on the 1 hour time frame, you should be taking nothing but less trades. Sometimes it might take a while before it gets there. And sometimes the retest could happen in 30 minutes. Didn't even tap into this demand, just rejecting anywhere. Yeah, the higher time frame, of course your stop loss will be bigger. I feel like when you become a very profitable trader and you have a decent account size, that's when you should move to the higher time frame, because usually your stop loss is gonna be big. It's gonna be a big stop loss. No interest.
You're not my baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla. When you aim for the heart, when you walked on the floor, you a real wild Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands and the bops like Dilla. Love it when you heal up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Touch to have your X-Man back on your line. But I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bitch, I can still leave here as the best man, yes ma'am. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no, you're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
Damn, this candle has no top wick. Bottom wick, I mean. It has it on trading view. Not on my broker, she doesn't have it. But if you want to take the good buys, if we get to that entry, you can if you want, especially if we can fully bearish and fully bullish, giving us a bottom wick, then you can definitely take gold. It would be nice.
I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'm a
Now we'll have a bottom wick if we can flip. So I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick and I'll be right back.
Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life.
See ready in case it happens. Zoom. I'll see you guys for New York. I'm done. All right, I'll see you guys though in New York. See you guys later.
Recording stopped.
All right, YouTube. We didn't take any trades today. That was the first in a long time. All right, God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Oh, before you guys go, I might go live on YouTube for FOMC. I'm not sure, but watch out for the YouTube notification just in case. If I'm awake, I'll definitely trade the FOMC. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace. I'm signing out.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something